Hey guys, in this video we will talk about Meta invest in mental health, an internal project turned into $20 million, 3D printing plant-based meat, and F&B and blockchain. Amy, a Singapore and Jakarta-based startup, aims to make mental health care more accessible for employees in Asia through counseling sessions that take place on messaging platforms like WhatsApp. Now, 4 months after its beta launch, Amy has closed a $3 million seed round from investors, including Meta, marking the Facebook owner's first early-stage startup investment in the Asia-Pacific region. Widespread emotional burnout brought on by overwork and exacerbated by the pandemic has forced employees to accept that mental health cannot be ignored in the workplace. During the registration process, users fill out a form detailing what stresses them out most often, and based on their responses, they will be paired with a practitioner who specializes in those issues. Next, Graphite, originally a mobile development tool company, turned an internal side project into a $20 million funding. We all missed the code review workflows that we had at some of our previous companies, so we built the first version of the Graphite command line tool and the dashboard just as a tool for us to use internally. Normally, code review is a linear process. You build a piece of the program, you commit it, and you wait for the review. Graphite changed that to make it concurrent, letting you continue with your work even while that original piece is being reviewed, a process that is much more efficient. Lastly, Muji Meats, a 3D printing plant-based meat startup, has raised $3 million in seed funding to advance its 3D printing technology. Muji Meats has developed a printer that can produce whole cuts of meat using plant-based or cultivated meat cells, including Wagyu beef. Who is ready for a 3D printed steak? Here's something else for you to think about. In Southeast Asia, the F&B industry is getting into blockchain. Maison Ikoku, the 80-seat restaurant and bar in Singapore, is accepting payment in Bitcoin as well as Ether, Tether, and Binance Coin. CEO Ethan Leong says crypto has been a serious boost. Get-togethers have attracted employees of centralized exchanges, individual traders, and hedge fund managers. At Jew Bar, a 10-minute walk away, owner Jamie Lim has been taking payments in tokens for 4 years. Moving to Malaysia, Myeongdong Tteokbokki, which specializes in Korean snacks, also opened an NFT concept restaurant in Genting, and the restaurant will provide NFT owners with exclusive privileges without the need for annual recurring fees and applications. The question I have for you is, will you pay for your next meal in tokens? In summary, Meta makes the first Asia investment with mental health startup. Graphite turned an internal side project into a $20 million funding round. Muji is 3D printing plant-based meat. In Southeast Asia, the F&B industry is adopting blockchain technology. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Leadapreneurs YouTube channel to get your weekly updates.